Hello everyone and welcome to Defense News. I Kiran. So in today's class we will learn 10 new words with their synonyms, antonyms, a sentence. So here we go. This is useful for all defense examination and competitive examination. So the first word is boast. You might have heard this word many times. It is a verb which means brag. Alright, now understand what is boast, right? It is speak of oneself with excessive pride, right? With excessive pride, alright. Speak of oneself with excessive pride is known as boasting or boast karna, alright. So what would be the similar word to boast? Means synonyms are crow and swagger. See, what is crow? Crow is a slang, alright. So हम crow कब use करते हैं? It means to utter the shrill cry characteristic of a rooster. Means it is like boasting about oneself. ठीक है? It is a slang, alright. So next word is swagger. Swagger is used to describe someone who is probably a little too proud and a little over jealous about themselves is known as swagger. Okay, so antonym would be deprecate. See friend, deprecate means it is express disapproval of. ठीक है, means express disapproval of anything is known as deprecate. Means the opposite of boosting. ठीक है, the opposite of boosting means opposite of brag is known as deprecate. Alright, so next word is captivate. See friend, captivate means enthrall करना. ठीक है, it is also a verb. तो captivate means होता है influence. What does captivate means? It is influence. Alright. So the opposite would be repel करना. I hope it is easy, right? Captivate means influence and opposite would be repel करना. Okay, then enthrall. Enthrall means capture the attention of something is known as enthrall. Alright, so synonym would be charm and enchant. Opposite is repel. Now let's form an example. He was captivated by her beauty. Means he was influenced by her beauty. Next word is incline. You might have heard this word in my previous classes too. Inclination. Okay, so what does inclination means? It is disposed. Alright, disposed means having a specified attitude towards something. Means having interest over that thing. Okay, having a specified attitude towards something is known as disposed. Synonym would be minded. Willing means the person want to do that thing. His mind is toward that thing is known as inclined. Alright, so antonym would be disinclined. Now let's form an example. He was inclined to accept the offer. Means he was interested to accept that offer is known as inclination. Now next word is very. See friend, very is an adjective which means cautious. Alright, so very simply means feeling or showing cautious about something which is dangerous, right, which is a problem. ठीक है, so simply we can say that very means cautious right now. Okay, synonym would be careful and circumspect. See, careful is a simple word, but what does circumspect means? It is unwilling to take risk, right? It is unwilling to take risk, alright, is known as circumspect. It is means he is cautious that he even don't take the risk. Alright, so antonym would be unwary. So opposite would be unwary. So let's form an example. His expression was very. His expression was very means expression was very cautious, but he said nothing. Alright, so next word is magnitude. Okay, you might have heard about mass and magnitude. Alright, so magnitude means क्या होता है? It is a noun which means importance of something, right? Weightage of something. Okay, synonym would be important or significance. Alright, so antonym क्या हो जाएगा? Triviality. See, triviality means lack of seriousness. Triviality means lack of seriousness. All right, is known as triviality. Let's form an example. History has a lot of events of tragic magnitude. Means history has a lot of weightage, a lot of importance of tragic magnitude. All right. Next one is compatible. See, compatible means able to exist or occur together without problem or conflict. Means two things can occurs in a same place without any problem or a conflict is known as compatible. All right, so it is also an adjective which means consistent. ठीक है, लगातार होना. Synonym would be reconcilable. See, reconcilable means capable of being compatible. ठीक है, reconcilable means capable of being compatible. Okay, so antonym would be inconsistent. See, consistent was the similar to the compatible, so opposite would be inconsistent. All right, now let's form an example. The symptoms were compatible with gastric or a peptic ulcer. Means जो symptoms आ रहे थे was very compatible. ठीक है, was very accurate with the gastric and a peptic ulcer. Next word is constraint. All right, constraint means inhibition. All right, constraint means inhibition, and simply we can say constraint, it is something that limits or constrict what you can do. Right, means inhibit what you can do is known as constraint. Simply हम understand कर सकते हैं कि constraint means क्या होता है, inhibition क्या होता है, रोकथाम बोलते हैं ना, तो inhibition. Synonym would be uneasiness, embarrassment. ठीक है, so antonym would be openness. Now let's form an example. They would be able to talk without constraint means they would be able to talk without inhibition. All right, so next word is deter. We might have heard this word deter many times. ठीक है, deter is a verb which means रोकना. ठीक है, prevent करना. ठीक है, so synonym would be stop, put a stop to. Antonym would be encourage करना. All right, now let's form an example. Strategists think about how to deter war and how far might occur. ठीक है, जो strategist होते हैं think about how to deter, how to prevent war and so how war might occur. Okay, this is example of deter. Next word is suppress. See friends, suppress means क्या होता है, censor. ठीक है, suppress means क्या होता है, censor, कोई चीज़ छिपा के करना. ओके, सो सप्रेस टू कीप फ्रॉम पब्लिक नॉलेज. ठीक है, सेंसर मीन्स क्या होता है और सप्रेस मतलब क्या होता है, टू कीप फ्रॉम पब्लिक नॉलेज इज नोन एज सप्रेस. ऑल राइट, synonym would be redact और conceal करना. All right, redact and conceal करना. Now understand what is redact. To select or adapt. ठीक है, to select or adapt कैसे, by removing sensitive information. What is redact? देखो, you have collected some information and you deleted some which is not important in the data. All right, is known as redact. Re means फिर से ना. Okay, next word is conceal. See, conceal means not allowed to be seen. ठीक है, कोई चीज़ क्या है, conceal है, not allowed to seen, not allow to seen. All right, so let's form an example. The report had been suppressed means the report had been suppressed means which the person can't see further. All right, antonym would be publicize means allow to the public is known as publicize. Okay, next one is turmoil. See, turmoil means क्या होता है, a state of great disturbance. ठीक है, a state of great disturbance, confuse और uncertainty is known as turmoil. ठीक है, a state of great disturbance, a state of great disturbance or confusion or uncertainty is known as turmoil. So the synonym would be turbulence and tumult. ठीक है, tumult means क्या होता है, a loud confused noise especially caused by a large massive people. बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों से मिलने के बाद जो confused voice आती है which we can't understand is known as the tumult. All right, so antonym क्या हो जाएगा, calm, cool. All right, so let's form an example. There was a turmoil in her pale blue eyes means there was a confusion, there was a disturbance in her pale blue eyes. All right, so we have completed our vocabulary portion. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, Share it, subscribe our channel